Hey guys, I'm Matthew Palumbo with Stinger, and in today's tech tip, we're talking about RPO codes. Now, if you don't know what those are, they're the little codes that manufacturers use when building a vehicle to identify different trim level and options. Now, if you're wondering how to find them in your late model GM vehicle, like this Silverado here, it's very simple. They used to have them on a sticker in the glove box on the older vehicles, but today they've gone a little bit higher tech. So if we open up the driver's door, and take a look down in the door jamb here, you'll see there's a little QR code right there. And if we pull out our smartphone, we can pull out our QR code scanning app, go ahead and scan that code, and it's gonna pull up a list of text here for us that has all those little codes right there. Really, really simple. So that's it. All we have to do is pull up that QR code scanning app, identify those little codes in there, and now we know exactly which options this truck was built with. So if you're thinking of upgrading the audio or adding other accessories to your late model GM truck, it's as easy as that. Pull out a smartphone, use your QR code scanner, scan that little code in the door jamb, and now you've got all the info you need to make sure the products you want are compatible with your ride. I'm Matthew Palumbo from Stinger. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.